Hi guys, today I'm going to talking about one of my science service projects, which are going to posting a video on the media service, social media to talking about burning fossil fuel, which will dangerous our hydrosphere and the water cycle. So now, what is the fossil fuel? Fossil fuel, there are three main kind of fossil fuel in our life. One is the coal. The coal was mostly made of carbon and some hydrogen and nitrogen. Coal was formed by the dead animals from a million years ago, so it always appeared on the land because there were more animals, land animal or mammals kind of things that which will walk on the land died and forming the coal. The second one is the petroleum. Petroleum is the transparent oil-based liquid, and this kind of oil was almost made by alkane. It is formed by the dead marine animals and plants during million years ago. So you will often see that this petroleum will often find under the sea. Under the sea. So the third one is natural gases. Natural gases are normally made by methane. It is made from phytoplankton and the planktonic animals and form into a wax kind texture. It will turn into the natural gas during a long time. So the phytoplankton and the planktonic animals will first form into a wax kind of texture because the huge pressure under the land, and it will turn to the natural gases, which gas kind of things during a long time. So what is the hydrosphere? Hydrosphere is a sphere that made by liquid gas and solid water, which are the liquid water and solid water. Maybe I write wrong here. The hydrosphere is an almost continuous but irregularly circles. Hydrosphere can be almost appear all the places that have water. So like the places that have water will be the hydrosphere, like the pond, the sea, even maybe the cloud. So the water cycle. The water cycle is a way that making the water change its place to another places. For example, the water will evaporate first and become snow or water, then fall into the river or sea, making the water changes places. So how burning the fossil fuel will accelerate the water cycle? Burning fossil fuel will making a greenhouse gases which called CO2, and it will making our Earth to heat up and making more energy in the air, we're making the more hotter. So burning the fossil fuel will making the weather mostly rain and snow. The rate increase, which means there will be more rain and making the flood and blizzard more frequently, which you can't imagine, like every day got flood, and after flood there will be blizzard in the winter, and every day was blizzard, and you can only stay in home, you cannot even go to school. So what can we do? We can plant more trees which can contain more water and using the green energy except fossil fuel. Because trees and plants can carry more water and store it on the ground, which means that there will be less water that we're using on the water cycle and to decrease the rate. Also, we can use the green energy, which are the electric, like we can drive electric car, or even we can just don't use any energy like driving a bicycle, and this will make less or even no CO2 to produce. So thanks for listening. If you like this video, please subscribe and just find more videos.